दर्द मना दे दे रे ओ यार पावी
Pakistan has one of the highest maternal mortality rates in the region. A number of factors that contribute to these maternal deaths include early marriages, short birth intervals, and pregnancies after 35 years of age. Evidence, however, shows that these deaths can be prevented with improved family planning and reproductive health services.
Acknowledging Pakistan's family planning and reproductive health sector needs, Pathfinder International tailored its work and approach to community mobilization, capacity building, quality assurance, system strengthening, and institutionalization of the interventions. Pathfinder's model of change is a comprehensive strategy that ensures provision of quality family planning and reproductive health services to address and accommodate increase in demand, and supported by a system of robust monitoring and supportive supervision.
Pathfinder is collaborating with the National Programme for Family Planning and Primary Health Care, commonly known as the Lady Health Workers Programme, to scale up best practices in family planning and reproductive health services.
टूप होंदी है छल्ला होंदे पिया कंडोम होंदे गोलियां होंदियां टीका होंदे औरत दा अगर बाल लगा गए बाल ज़ाया थी गए तो 6 महीने कोई ना कोई माने हमल तरीका इस्तेमाल करे.
Lady health workers conduct female support group meetings with the focus on young married couples and women with low parity to promote the concept of healthy timing and spacing of pregnancies using innovative counseling techniques and tools.
इस वक्त हम 6000 लेडी हेल्थ वर्कर को इस पे ट्रेन कर चुके हैं और वो यूज़ कर रही हैं फील्ड में इसको, और इसके 2013 में हमारा प्रोग्राम ये है कि हम 48,000 लेडी हेल्थ वर्कर को इस पे ट्रेन करेंगे. 6000 को कर लिया, बाकी जो रिमेनिंग हमारी रहती है उनको ट्रेन करेंगे और उनको दे देंगे.
The innovative training aids have not only enhanced the awareness but have also contributed to increase in contraceptive use amongst the target population.
बाजी ये मेरी थी कमज़ोर जमी है, मैं आप कमज़ोर हम हूँ जरा मेरा ये बच्चा जमे मैं को कोई पता कहाँ नहीं बाल दीवारी में सपोर्ट करूँ पीछे वन्या लग गया मैं को पता है पिया हूँ मारा खाया टूप वक्फे करावन वाली जरा मेरा पुत्र 2 साल ता थी आसी मैं को बिया हमल थी सी 3 साल दा ते वाला मैं ये सेहतमंद थी आसी मैं सेहतमंद हो सा मेरा बिया बच्चा सेहतमंद हो सी.
Pathfinder has recruited a husband and wife as a team to disseminate family planning by promoting healthy timing and spacing of pregnancies to the target population in areas not covered by lady health workers. The team counsels men and women on the importance of healthy timing and spacing of pregnancies and reproductive health, and through discussions try to answer their queries, remove their myths and misconceptions, and thereby encourage couples to adopt birth spacing. To involve men for support in decision making and to encourage interspousal communication, Pathfinder has organized a team of community reformers which include a local religious leader, a male secondary school teacher, and a male activist. The community reformers conduct male support group meetings targeting young newlywed couples and community gatekeepers and influencers in the communities.
साईं मूंखे इहो सवाल करणो त मुंहिंजो हिकिड़ो ॿारु आहे 3 महीननि जो त मूंखे हींअर घणो वक़्फ़ो करणु घुरिजे अॻे ॿार जे लाइ.
अल्लाह ताला जी ज़ात बाबरकात इरशाद फरमायो त मां जे मथां इहो हुकुम लाज़िम आहे जन को ॿार ॼमे त उनखे कम अज़ कम 2 सालनि ताईं उनखे खीर पीआरे.
The community reformers concept advocates for healthy timing and spacing of pregnancies through a unique sustainable model.
This activity has engaged a very large number of grassroots men at different levels, and the focus has been more of young men and young couples, young husbands rather, which have encouraged them to take on contraception for birth spacing for their lives.
सर जब मेरी शादी थी मेरी उम्र है 18 साल, मेरे घर वाले की उम्र है 15 साल. हमारी शादी में 8 महीने में बच्चा ज़ाया हो गया हमारा। 6 महीने बाद वाते बच्चा ज़ाया हो गया। ऊँट बाद एक रहा सर, हमको 12 मर्दों वाले के मोहल्ले में टीम है हमारे मोहल्ले में, उसमें पता चला भाई हम में वक्फा 18 साल से पहले माँ नहीं बनना चाहिए औरत को।
Unsafe abortion continues to be a major public health problem in Pakistan. Pathfinder has introduced counseling for post-abortion care by community-based workers.
There's a community midwife जो कि community level पे एज ए स्किल बर्थ अटेंडेंट डिलीवरीज कराएगा, और यकीनन जब स्किल बर्थ अटेंडेंट डिलीवरी करेगी, यही काडर है जो कि हमारी शरह अमवात को, मेटरनल मोर्टिलिटी को, इन्फेंट न्यूनेटल मोर्टिलिटी को कम करेगा. देन वी अचीव द MDG 4 and 5.
To enhance this community-based mechanism of service provision, Pathfinder has involved community midwives in family planning, counseling and services. The awarding of certificates to lady health supervisors and workers on a monthly basis and displaying their names at the facility has shown improvement in the self-esteem of these workers.
जाहिर बात है, बहुत ज़्यादा हौसला अफजाई है कि पूरे तहसील गुजरखान में से मुझे अवार्ड मिला, और ये है कि फिर इससे काम करने का जज्बा और भी बढ़ जाता है फील्ड में.
Pathfinder has worked towards improving the quality of family planning and reproductive health service provision at public health facilities by providing equipment and fixtures at the facility for IUCD insertion in particular. With the improvement in the technical knowledge about healthy timing and spacing of pregnancy and contraceptive technologies, service providers at these facilities now are confidently delivering family planning and reproductive health services with better knowledge and refreshed skills. Cost is one of the barriers in access to family planning services by women living below the poverty line. Pathfinder has initiated a voucher scheme to empower women to access long-term family planning methods like the implant and IUCDs free of cost, being delivered by selected private providers. The community-based health educators visit the women and inform them about these services.
बाजी आई उन मूंखे चयो त मां तोखे वाउचर लिखी थी ॾियां, पोइ वाउचर खणी वेंदी अस्पताल में, तोखे मुफ़्त में वक़फ़ो कंदा, कैप्सूल ॾींदा बाह में रखण जो.
Pathfinder has institutionalized these interventions to ensure scale-up of best practices in family planning and reproductive health services.
ये इनिशिएट किया उसने पाथफाइंडर ने, इंटीग्रेटेड मैनुअल है. जब जो भी पार्टनर फैमिली प्लानिंग पे काम करना चाहेगा पंजाब में, तो हम इस पे काम कराएंगे. अब नाउ इट इज़ ए फाइनल वर्जन है ये हमारा, तो इसको हमने 2013 में पूरी लेडी हेल्थ वर्कर को इस पर ट्रेन कर देना है.
पाथफाइंडर की इस इंटरवेंशन को लेडी हेल्थ वर्कर प्रोग्राम उसी स्पिरिट के साथ स्केल अप करेगी इन द रिमेनिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ द प्रोविंस, ताकि कम्युनिटी को हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेहतर सहूलियात पहुंचा सकें.
Catalyzing over 25 years of quest of the Pakistan Nursing Council and the Population Welfare Department, Pathfinder International has not only updated and enriched family welfare workers' pre-service training curriculum, but has also achieved their accreditation from the Pakistan Nursing Council, a long-awaited requirement of the FWW.
We have done the consensus building and finalization of the curriculum, or inshallah we will be starting on this project, because this is now they come under the mandate of Pakistan Nursing Council. So we will be looking after their training, their institutions and their career structure.
Encouraging young couples to make informed choices and accessing quality care has shown a tremendous improvement in the uptake of family planning services. It has also encouraged the institutionalization of these interventions, leading to sustainability as enduring norm.
जी है, जी है। ये जिंदगी मेरी नहीं, ये मेरे बच्चे के। असा वफा करे सो असा माँ पुत्र दुआएं सेहतमंद रह।
चलो ठीक है, आप ख्याल रखें, अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें।